Yo, what's up, bros? Are you ready to take your gaming to the next level? Ever wished you could get paid to play games on your phone? Imagine turning those hours of fun into actual cash. Yeah, me too. It's not a dream anymore. This is the real deal, folks. You actually can. No more boring surveys or watching ads for pennies. Forget about those tedious tasks that barely pay. We're talking about real cash for doing what you love, gaming. Imagine getting rewarded for every level you beat and every quest you complete. Sounds too good to be true? Well, hold on to your controllers because I'm about to introduce you to Fancy Flyer, the app that turns your gaming hobby into a money-making machine. With Fancy Flyer, you can earn while you play, and the more you play, the more you earn. It's that simple. Fancy Flyer offers a variety of games to choose from, so you'll never get bored. Whether you're into action, puzzles, or strategy games, there's something for everyone. Plus, the app is super user-friendly. You can track your earnings in real time and cash out whenever you want. No hidden fees, no gimmicks. So what are you waiting for? Download Fancy Flyer today and start turning your gaming passion into profit. Game on and make money while you're at it. So, what's Fancy Flyer all about? Let me break it down for you. It's a free app, bros. Yes, you heard that right, absolutely free. That's right, totally free to download and use. No hidden fees or subscriptions, just pure gaming goodness. Imagine having access to a world of games without spending a single penny. And guess what? It's got tons of downloads and crazy high ratings. People love it. With thousands of positive reviews, it's clear that Fancy Flyer is a hit among gamers. Fancy Flyer hooks you up with a library of awesome mobile games. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore enthusiast, there's something for everyone. We're talking all sorts of genres. Puzzle games that challenge your mind, action games that get your adrenaline pumping, arcade games that bring back the nostalgia, you name it, they've got it. From strategy to simulation, from racing to role-playing, the variety is endless. It's like a buffet of mobile gaming, and you get to feast your thumbs on all of it. Dive into a world of endless entertainment and rewards. So, what are you waiting for? Download Fancy Flyer today and start your adventure. Okay, but how do you actually make money with Fancy Flyer? It's all about the tickets, baby. Every time you play a game on Fancy Flyer, you earn tickets. The more you play, the more tickets you rack up. Think of these tickets as your in-app currency. You can then redeem these tickets for awesome rewards, including cold, hard cash. That's right, actual money just for playing games on your phone. It's that simple. Game on the go. Play anytime, anywhere. The best part about Fancy Flyer, you can play anytime, anywhere. Whether you're at home, at work, or on the move, Fancy Flyer is always at your fingertips. Waiting for the bus? Fancy Flyer is your perfect companion. It turns those idle moments into exciting adventures. Stuck in a boring meeting? Fancy Flyer can be your little secret escape. Just a few taps and you're in a different world. Procrastinating on your homework? Definitely Fancy Flyer. It's a great way to take a break and refresh your mind before diving back into your studies. It's the perfect way to kill time and make some extra cash on the side. Imagine turning your downtime into a productive and fun experience. Plus, it's way more fun than scrolling through social media or watching cat videos. Fancy Flyer offers a more engaging and rewarding experience. Not that there's anything wrong with cat videos, but you know what I mean. Fancy Flyer just adds that extra bit of excitement to your day. Even when you're winding down for the night, Fancy Flyer is there to help you relax and have fun before you drift off to sleep. During your coffee break, Fancy Flyer can be the perfect way to recharge and get a quick burst of entertainment. Waiting in line? No problem. Fancy Flyer makes those long waits feel shorter and much more enjoyable. Share the fun with friends and see who can get the highest score. Fancy Flyer is not just a game, it's a social experience. So no matter where you are or what you're doing, Fancy Flyer is always ready to bring a smile to your face and a bit of joy to your day. Level up your earnings. Join the Fancy Flyer community. Download Fancy Flyer now and start earning money while you game. And hey, why stop there? Subscribe to my channel for more epic gaming tips and tricks. And don't forget to leave a comment below telling me where you're from. I might even make a video about games that pay out the big bucks in your region. Keep it real, bros. Happy gaming and happy earning.